Not long ago, YouTube introduced YouTube handles. Your handle is unique to your very YouTube channel. It helps your viewers to easily find you as well as to easily tag you in their community post. I did a video about this. If you did not watch that video, please find it here and make sure that you watch it. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can now choose your YouTube handle. Firstly, you'll be sent an email, and that email will tell you that in the next few weeks that YouTube is enrolling or introducing YouTube handles. You should know that if you have a personalized URL, then YouTube will reserve it as your handle. If you want to change it to a different handle, then you are given that opportunity to change it to whatever you wish to have. And then by November 14th, YouTube will have selected your handle. If you haven't chosen it already, then it is going to pick that personalized URL and make it your YouTube handle. So this is the first email you're going to receive as they communicate to you that they are introducing YouTube handles. If you want to read more, you can always click on this very button and you will find more, or basically watch my video and you get everything you want to know about this. Then they will send you a second email where they are confirming that you can now choose your handle. Now I'm going to use one of my channels called Aero News Media to do this because I have already been sent the email that I can now choose my handle. On this channel, I haven't been sent an email to choose my handle. So I'm going to use one of my YouTube channels to do this. Now, they are also reminding you if you have a personalized URL, it's going to be reserved for you as your YouTube handle. If you don't know how to create a personalized URL, please drop me a comment. I will make a video on how you can make a personalized URL. Now, all I need to do is to click on choose a handle, and it's going to load for me my YouTube channel, and then from there I'm going to choose which handle I want to use. So once that has loaded, you'll be told, hi there, your handle is reserved. Your handle is Aero News Media. Now you should know that I changed this to Aero News Media because my personalized URL for this channel is /Duncan Atenya. So the first email I was sent, and when I opened it, it read Duncan Atenya, but I didn't want it to read Duncan Atenya. So what I did, I changed this handle to suit the name of the channel. And all you need to do now is to click on change the handle, and then you can now change. Remember, it was Duncan Atenya in the beginning, but I changed it to Aero News Media. If you want to change it to something else, you just type here. For example, if I want it to be called CEO Figure, for example, I'll just type in CEO Figure. And then once I've typed in, it is going to confirm if that very handle is available. And then once it gets that it is available, it's going to allow you to confirm the selection. But for me, I don't want to do that because I'm reserving this for this very channel. All right. So this very handle is available. Someone can use it. So I'll just cancel it. Please don't go and use it because I'm waiting to use it on my channel. So once you do that, it will confirm and change it. Now, your URL will now be reading www.youtube/@aeronewsmedia or / whatever you chose. So this will be my new URL. All I need to do is now to send it to my friends so that they can easily find me. Now let's test and see if this URL is functioning. All I need to do is to copy it, and then I'll come here and paste and enter. Now let's see if it's going to lead to my YouTube channel. Ta-da! It's loaded. So it's loading my very YouTube channel. You can also tag this in the very community post. So if, for example, if I need to make a community post and I want to tag myself, or I want to tag that person who has already chosen that very handle, all I need to do is to write @ and then say Aero News Media. So it will load for me that very channel, and I will be able to tag it in my community post. So that is how easy you can choose your handle and also tag it in the community post or even in the comments. And also, that is how easy you can send this very short URL to your friends so that they can easily find you. I'm hoping that you found value in this video, and if that is the case, I would really ask you to like this video so that I can reach out to many more people. If you have a question, make sure that you drop me a comment. To learn how to design YouTube thumbnails like Mr. Beast, that video is here. To learn the success story of penguins on YouTube, that video is here. My name is Duncan, this is CEO Figure, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Peace.